What's up, guys? Blue Turner Vlogs back with another video. Game day, bump day. Don't know what day it is.
I'll save it. Batman or Superman?
Superman all freaking day long.
No.
And is your name Houston? No, shut up.
Obviously, who would win in a fight? Batman or Superman?
Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler.
I think that Batman all the way. In a fight, Batman or Superman? Batman hates black people. There's one.
No, I don't. I love black people.
Actually, is it? So today we got McCracken County, baby. I'm gonna beat their butts in. Food situations of the day. We got burgers. But how's the burger? Burger's pretty solid. Oh yeah, air conditioning. Cannon. Who would win in a fight, Batman or Superman? Aiden? Batman. Oh. Okay.
Superman wops.
What about kryptonite?
Where's Batman? Where is he gonna get kryptonite?
He had it in Batman versus Superman.
What if, hey, I watched that video. Batman wins 100%. Hey,
no. There we go.
Batman has so much money. He
Yeah,
can
he's
buy
rich.
all the kryptonite there ever is.
Superman just surprised attack suit.
He's gonna make a suit out of kryptonite.
Just do it. Kill him before there's a kryptonite.
He shoots him with kryptonite.
This kid's actually offended.
Have you watched Batman versus Superman?
Hey,
It doesn't matter.
The movie that came out like 4 years ago. Batman was trash. Superman is stupidly powerful. He's clapping Batman.
He could probably just like laser beam.
Batman doesn't have something that can
That was the longest fight. That was the longest fight.
Hear me out. What if Superman just kind of like, flies up here and shoots him? Batman's toast.
him.
His laser eyes.
He has a suit that's like indestructible.
Where are you getting that?
He just makes it out of kryptonite. He's rich. And he's genius.
Is kryptonite indestructible?
Yeah, for Superman, it's his weakness.
No.
It's not indestructible though.
Let's say, like right now, they fight. He has nothing. Like as he is.
Yes.
Who's winning?
If he's riding around for a Batmobile, the Batmobile is like,
Who wins? Let's say not. Let's say they're just.
and cannon backwards. Just name it, amen.
Please help no one get. Yeah, that's what I heard.
I'm doing this.
It's not me.
Guess we got started pitching tonight. This guy, and then we got Penny Rod.
The kid who carried Luke's travel.
Do it. Sam Morgan with the leadoff base hit. Not really base hit, but we off. Go, Isaac. Yeah. Game update. Wouldn't be a game at McCracken without it raining. So we'll see how this one goes. Weatherman Billy. Attaboy. There it is.
Attaboy, Luke.
I want to get help that kid.
Quick update.
All right.
Luke got thrown out.
Yeah, Luke got thrown out at second.
Stealing.
That's a great story. Now we're gonna send it down for the weather.
We got the weather update here on the field. Live weather update. Sky's pretty gray. This is Thomas Bagby, Sully Shadowan, and Alan the Fourth.
I just got struck by lightning.
Yeah, some
That's
kid.
how hard those Yeet bells hit.
Some kid just died in center field. Got struck. L Fortnite Bozo.
I was up to bat and I got struck by lightning.
We'll get back to you when the weather picks up. Microphone's in the shot. My guy.
Thanks, Alan the Fourth, for that weather update. Now to your commercial break.
Becky wanted to see you in there pitching.
All right. So nervous. What is your reaction?
Hey. Yeah, he got a hit off me. It's kind of sad. It was only a single, and then he got thrown out because my catcher's god tier, so he stands no chance. Oh, there's Jet. Bye.
Of the day is who would win in a fight, Batman or Superman?
Who would win in a fight, Granny, Batman?
Superman.
There we go. What do you say?
Well, I say Superman because I'm not gonna go against my mom.
Who did you say?
I said Batman.
Now we have Jet, you want a nacho?
No thanks, Luke.
Good, because it's nacho cheese.
Oh. Boom. Roasted. Dwight.
Hit my foot.
You gotta play where it lies.
2 ground balls to cash.
There we go, boys.
You gotta play it where it lies.
All right, update.
Just a bit fast.
Update. How's it going?
There was a foul ball just hit. Same as on first. He got walked in the full count. Isaac runs up to bat. I think the count's like 0-1.
Yep. First inning, boys. We gotta win this time.
Oh, what a roller.
Oh. That was a big. Attaboy, Jet. Another walk. Another AB, another walk. Walking Anne Marie's DMs.
No, 1-1. Submarine. Oh, Lord.
Oh, we got a good jump. Safe.
One, two, three, Marshalls.
Hurt my leg. It took a loss. We'll take it. Keep at it.
Hey.
At Talon Rose. We will see you dudes in the next video.
I want to kiss Britney Spears on the mouth because I love her. I love Britney Spears.